Don't make slides like this ever again. Try this instead. Open PowerPoint, go to New Slide and add a blank slide. Now we are going to first add an image to the slide. Go to Insert tab, click on Pictures, insert an online picture. Add text and box and click Search. Select the image and click Insert. Now resize the image to fit the slide. Click on Picture Format and crop the image to fit the slide. Now go to Insert tab, click on Shapes and add a rectangle shape on top of the image. Now in shape format, add any color of your choice and remove outline. Now click on Insert tab and add a text box. Add text, select text, change font and size, now click on Shape Format and align the text in center. Now first select the background and then the text using Shift key. Go to Shape Format and click on Merge Shapes and choose Subtract. This creates a beautiful cutout image with Italy image in the background. Right click on first slide and duplicate it. Now begins the fun part. Zoom out the second slide and increase the cutout shape. We have to do this procedure until you see the image in between the text. Now adjust the image inside the font. You can see the second slide is now showing the image and not the Italy text. Now select the second slide and go to Transition and click on Morph Transition. Click on Preview tab to see the animated effect in motion. Click on Slideshow to see the transition. Now as a last step, follow my channel Skill Lectures to master your PowerPoint skills. Be creative in your presentation skills.